Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the 18-8 stainless steel pressure cooker with a one-hand locking system for easy use. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it features multiple safety mechanisms like a lock lid, safety valve, and pressure relief valve for worry-free cooking. This cooker is compatible with induction, gas, and electric stovetops, delivering up to 70% faster cooking while preserving nutrients. With a 3-layer encapsulated base, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. You can adjust pressure levels from low to high, making it versatile for all types of dishes. Plus, it includes a tempered glass lid and steamer basket, converting it into a pot or steamer instantly. RVGMBO also offers dedicated after-sales support to help you with any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.